Assalamualaikum, hello everybody. It's me, Maida Bintu Farooq, famous and well-known English language teacher Bangladesh. My batch name is PT109, and today I'm going to talk about a short story. And the story is the summary of the question of So let's get started. Once, a man was passing by a deserted land. Suddenly, he saw a destroyed town. He thought to himself, how can new lives come to this town? Allah heard his question and replied that he did not reply. He said, Allah heard that and made the man die in that place. He was dead there. Lied there for 100 years. A century passed. Kings and generation changed, but he was only dead there with his donkey and his food. But when the town was rebuilt, Allah brought the man back to life. When he woke up, he thought, I have just slept for an afternoon or a half of a day. Allah also heard that and said, no, you have been here for 100 years, even a century passed. Everything changed and the town has rebuilt that you have asked me. He was amazed. 100 years, a century passed, how can it be? Allah told him to look at his body. When he did, nothing had changed. He also looked at his food. Everything was fresh, just like it has just been brought. But when he looked at his donkey, there was only bones presented there, nothing else. He was amazed. How can it be? Soon after, Allah brought the donkey back to life. Therefore, this is a sign for human beings that Allah kept this man for a sign so that people believe in Allah. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening cordially. Bye bye.